name is Angela Semiklis, and I'm here to explain student timetables for patisserie and bakery programs. The example you can see on the screen right now is a patisserie timetable. This timetable is easily read by just following the simple directions from the timetable. You can see at the top of the timetable there is an 8 o'clock in the morning on the left hand corner at the top. You can see the numbers that go across the top that go right down to 21:30. This is 9:30 in the evening. On the left hand column you can see there is a Monday, a Tuesday and a Wednesday. By looking at this particular timetable, I can see at 11 o'clock on a Monday there is a class called Prepare and Serve Espresso Coffee. This class is scheduled for weeks 41 to 49. In the bottom right hand corner of this particular unit there is a room number DG16. This indicates where this unit is being held. In D building, ground level 16. That's the room number. You can see in the left hand corner of this particular unit that the teacher name is Melissa Kayo, and this class is held from 11 o'clock until 2 in the afternoon. Right below that you can see there's another class called Produce Cakes. This class is scheduled at 1 o'clock in the afternoon, or 1300, as you can see by this timetable. This particular unit has a class running from weeks 31 to 38 and week 40. These numbers are easily identified on a calendar when you start with January is week 1, the second week of January was week 2, the third week of January is week 3. Coming for this particular timetable, this class, week 31, is in the second semester and the first week. You need to go to DG01. You can see your teacher name is Harold Frith and the unit is called Produce Cakes. Let's look on to Tuesday. On Tuesday at 1:30 in the afternoon you can see Manage Diversity in the Workplace. This particular unit is a theory unit, and with all your theory classes you need to go onto Moodle and go to the Zoom link to access the content and meet your teacher. Even though it has a room number, if we were on campus that would be the room number that you would need to go to. But at the current environment we're asking you to work through all your theory through Zoom, through Moodle. So please log into Moodle and go to the following unit, Manage Diversity in the Workplace, for your group 1A, and you will meet your teacher. I'd like now to speak regarding bakery classes. We can see by this example that these particular students have a number of theory classes on a Tuesday. The units then again identify what is being taught, sell to the retail customer, maintain ingredient stores, provide and apply workplace information. All of these units again are theory. Generally theory classes are of 2 hours or less. So if you see on your timetable that you have a class that are 2 hours or less, I would suggest you go to Moodle and log in and to go to your class online on Zoom. When we're looking at the Wednesday, you can see there's 4 hours and 3 hours. These classes are generally practical classes, so you'll need to go to the classroom or the kitchen as such. In this particular example, the room is DG08. You can see you're doing basic bread products and with Sean Bajan. And again, looking at the top, we've also got a class that starts at 8:30 in the morning, and this one finishes at 12:30 and continues into the afternoon. Please be aware, sometimes theory classes are being taught inside a practical room alongside the cooking. So when you see a cluster like this, implementing food safety programs and basic bread products, that means you'll be in a kitchen together. Thank you for listening to myself, and I wish you well. Please, if you have any questions regarding your timetables, please contact our Student Management Centre, the Program Leader, or Student Coordinators to answer your questions. Thank you.